cut my hair just to start all over. I want to focus on and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you an update on my life and also on my channel moving forward in 2023. And also happy new year to everyone, and I hope this new year is treating you well. So about my channel is going to be strictly home decor, lifestyle and vlogs. And when it comes to my home decor, I'm going to be doing like DIYs, decorating my space, trying to make it as comfortable as I can for our family. And, I reach my aesthetic and I'm excited about that. And when it comes to lifestyle, it's just going to be like everyday lifestyle, like, stuff like, and in my home decor videos, I also do like clean with me, do stuff like that. I think that would be nice. And then there's the lifestyle aspect of the channel that you guys will see my, other stuff like the lifestyle I live and stuff like that. And then my vlogs, this year, my goal is to embark on losing weight. That's my main goal. So on the vlogs, I'll be giving you guys a weekly vlog where I document my weight. Where I document my weight. You guys will see the progress for me to get to the Royce 2.0. That's my goal. So you guys have to stay tuned and watch this, and then we can support each other. We can do challenges together. We're going to do this. So I'm going to do this until summertime. That's my goal, because my goal is to at least lose about 80 pounds, which is a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. 80 pounds, but I can do it. And so that's my goal for this channel. And I'm also going to be uploading videos twice a week. I'm going to be uploading a video on Wednesday and on Sunday. That's when I'll be doing the vlog to give you an update where I am and stuff like that. And moving on to my life, and we've moved from Germany and we made it to the US. Yay, we're back. And was now stationed in Tampa, Florida, which is very nice. My husband is working at MacDill, so it's exciting. It's a different experience for me. This is the first time I've been to Tampa, and I've been to Florida, Orlando, but this is my first time in Tampa. It's a very beautiful town, or beautiful state, I should say. It's a beautiful city. And they have very good food. They have beautiful houses and everything. We managed to find us a small house where we're going to stay for the next 2 years to 3 years. If we decide to buy them, we'll buy. But for now, we're trying to rent so that we can get a feel of Florida and of Tampa. But so far, we like it. The food is good, guys. I'll have to take you with me to one of the restaurants. Oh my God. There's this place called Saucy Crab. The shrimps, Jesus Christ, it was so good. I was like, yum, 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 yum. I really liked it. So yeah, guys, I'm excited about that. I'm excited we're here. We already put our boys in school, and they're already in school. And since I'm going to be a stay-at-home mom, and I've decided to be a stay-at-home mom. I'm going back to my original state of being a stay-at-home mom. I've always been a stay-at-home mom, and I work when I want to. I've worked here and there, so I can always work when I want to, but I'm going to stay at home this time. I'm going to focus on my family, and also I'm going to focus on the boys, trying to raise good citizens. And also my health is the priority this year. And also I'm going back to school starting next month, and where I'm going to finish my master's, because I had to put it on hold again. I keep on putting it on hold. Jesus Christ. It's going to take me 10 years to finish this master's program. But I'm going back to school to finish that. Hopefully I should be done in the summer, and I'll show you guys everything. We'll go together to the graduation ceremony and all that. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited to see where this channel will go, and stick around with me. And yeah, so guys, I know you're busy staring at me. I did cut my hair. This is the big elephant in the room. I did cut my hair about a week or 2 weeks ago. I put a poll on my channel asking you guys what your suggestion was. Should I cut my hair, or should I do like a tapered haircut with relaxed hair, or should I just leave my hair where it was? So I chose to cut my hair just to start all over. I want to focus on my health and working out. So I don't want to be worrying about weaves, extensions, and worrying about my hair. I just want to wake up, work out, sweat, come home, bath. That's what I want to do. This year is about me. I'm going to put myself first, take care of my skin. I'm also going to be doing a glow challenge, which I'm going to do a video for you guys so that I'll show you what products I'll be using and all that stuff, and then we can go in detail about that. And if you guys want to join me, you can join me to do the glow challenge till summer. It'll be a 3 months challenge though. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So guys, I'm excited to be back in the States, and I can't wait to decorate this house and yeah, show you Tampa. We'll explore Tampa together since this is my first time being here, and I can't wait to show you all the nice juicy places and all the delicious food they have. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and thank you so very much for your support. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the fam, and thank you so very much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Oh, bye bye.